Berkeley Chef channel. My name is Elisha Berkeley and today I'm going to be showing you how to make guacamole with a few simple things that you could find in your kitchen. Elisha B is in the kitchen because you know my food is finger licking. Oh, hi there, we're making guacamole here. Okay then, we shall proceed. We will start by first cutting up our bell pepper.
A Berkeley Chef interruption.
Out there looks amazing, but you know what else looks amazing? My new cup. I designed this mug and take a look at what it says. Elisha B is in the kitchen because you know my food is finger licking. Check out our finger licking content at berkeleychefs.com. Yep, so this cup is amazing. It's my most favorite cup. It comes in many colors: and blue, black, red, and yellow. You can get this mug plus other mugs and other great gear at berkeleychefs.com, so go check it out. You can get one of this authentic mug of Elisha B is in the kitchen, or you could get maybe this mug, Tickle My Funny Bones, Berkeley Chef Tickle, or maybe you want a nice plain t-shirt, a hoodie, or maybe this amazing warm hat. Whatever you want, you can check it out at berkeleychef.com or scan this QR code to take you there. I'm gonna go watch outside. Bye! If you have a specific part of this video that you would like to see, you can check the timestamp in the description below. Now is the time to cut up your cucumber or your Trini cucumber chow. If you want to learn how to make Trini cucumber chow, you can watch this video after you have finished watching this video. Next, we are going to cut open our avocados. Then we're going to take our sweet avocado and put it in the bowl and our seasonings. We're gonna put our garlic powder, cumin, sea salt, and chili. You can find the recipe and measurements in the description below. Hi there! I'm here to tell you about the benefits of avocado. Number 1, they are loaded with more potassium than bananas. Number 2, they are loaded with plenty of fiber. Number 3, well, I'll say number 3, they are loaded with heart-healthy fatty acid. Sound very well. Number 4, avocados are incredibly nutritious for your diet. Number 5, I got next one. Avocados are loaded with healthy fiber. And number 6, wait, I got another one. Avocados are loaded with antioxidants. Powerful ones. Thank you, Caleb. You just told the viewers some of the benefits of avocados. You're welcome. See you. Well then, that will wrap up avocado health benefits, and we'll be back to the video. We finished making the guacamole. We're gonna call in one of our Berkeley chefs to feast with me. Drum roll, please. Caleb Berkeley.
Ha!
Try it out.
Your food is finger licking.
Well, since you're talking about finger licking, I have a mug here that says Elisha B's in the kitchen because you know my food is finger licking. Viewers out there can get this mug at
berkeleychefs.com.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in another video next time. Bye!